Hey guys, it's Sean here. Just want to give you the tip of the day. All my stuff's on seanshawn.co, and I also do specials on eBay. So hopefully you like that. Anyway, the tip I wanted to give you was on YouTube. So if you're doing YouTube videos, another really cool app you can add is TubeBuddy. And what this allows you to do is do way better thumbnails, so that immediately lets you rise up the ranks, because people look at that. That's kind of like your storefront. Like, so if you see say you're buying a car, if you get the dirty car, you got the car parked on a nice car lot, you know, it's going to look better on the car lot, right? So you have the signage, blah, 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 that's your thumbnail. So you want to have, that's your draw into the video itself. So you can add text in there. You probably want to use Photoshop, it's a lot better. Right now I'm just using TubeBuddy, so I'm not really super there yet, but I used to know Photoshop, but I have to get back into it. So you can also check your statistics, you know, so he's following you. You can add all your tags in your videos. So you want to kind of do a Google search, kind of figure out what the tags you want to have in those videos are. So that'll, you know, help it rise at the ranks. So if it comes up, you know, within the first page, then you might be seen just on, you know, someone doing a Google search, which will be huge for growing your channel. All right, that's my tip of the day. Thanks, guys.